In this video, we are going to review the Maintainx and what is Maintainx? Maintainx is a game changer for maintenance and operations management. It is an intuitive platform which is basically used for make and creating, tracking, and completing work orders effortlessly, saving time and eliminating the need for paper-based system. The mobile app is especially convenient, enabling team members to access tasks, checklists, and manuals on the go. Features like real-time communication, preventions, maintaining schedules, and detailed report provided a comprehensive solution for the organization looking to maintain their work and obviously boost their productivity. So, what are some of the key of factors and key features of the Maintainx? One of the key factors and key feature is that it helps organization track and maintain equipments and assets, schedules routine inspections and maintenance tasks, and prevent equipment failures. And obviously, there are a bunch of other of things that it does, which is stores and organize maintenance records for the audits and compliance purposes, accessible for mobile devices, enabling field works to update tasks and allow teams to create, assign, and track work orders in real time. So these are some of the things that are the key highlights of the Maintainx. And now we will gonna read some of the reviews over the internet to see the companies and the other customers who have actually used Maintainx. What are their reviews about it? So we are gonna use a software which is known as softwareadvice.com. It's one of the very authentic software which gets reviews over regarding the software of like Maintainx over the internet, and they provide it over their website. So what are some of the pros? The overall review rating is a 4.8, which is very good. Where 586 people has rated it 5 star. Uh, these are some of the check marks that they have used, that they have rated. The work order request for the feature has truly streamlined out abilities as a team. So this is the pros and the cons. It is very easy to move all equipments and assets over. This is wonderful and useful program for any corporation. But the cons are there are not many, if any, negative thoughts I have for this app. Um, Sometimes when I start a problem report, the page flips before I finish it. Notification and annoying popping up every 2 seconds. So these are some of the review about the Maintainx. I hope you find this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.